We have an older Toyota Scion here today. The owner tried to do the restoration himself and he wasn't satisfied with the results, so he called us. Here you go. Here's the passenger side. Here's the driver's side. Definitely needed some help and we took care of it. So here you go. Here's the end result. Beautiful, right? Beautiful. This car's pretty old too. Beautiful. Beautiful job by us. If you need a headlight restoration and you're located in South Florida, Broward County, Miami-Dade, Palm Beach, give us a call, 754-302-0769. We are mobile. Text us your pictures today, or you could even call us, 754-302-0769. We come to you. Home or office, we come to you.